Hey guys, welcome to another installment of Mike's Garage. So yeah, I actually forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm really sorry about that. Be sure to check out my latest video. The link is down below in the description box. It's one of the past weekends. It's Grand Spring Auto car show hosted by Dubfest. So yeah, definitely check that video out. It's one of my latest like short feature videos, especially of my first car show that I shot as well. So be sure to check that out in the link below, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the new vlog.
Like where you at. I like everything about you. Everything about you.
Hey guys, but yeah, we just moved all the cars out of the way. We're gonna start work now on the Volkswagen, on the Caddy bucket. We got the Caddy out. We are now going to start, or I'm going to start work now on the Caddy, pulling the box out and things, but I'll be sure to film that. Those will be filmed on my phone. And then yeah, this is going to be an awesome day because I have quite a lot of work to do and I have to go around to a couple of places, but let's get started.
Everything about you. About you. Everything about you.
Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, we got the, let me show you guys. So as you can see, we got the wheels off. Yeah, so what I need to do now is basically just remove these two bolts over here. That is for the coilovers. As you can see, she has a set of coilovers in. Then I need to remove this big bolt over here, which is the CV bolt, and then remove those Allen head bolts over there. Those are keeping the cups, basically the inner CVs, keeping that in over there. So it's about, I think, 6 of them. So I need to remove all 6 of them, and then this entire driveline will come off. So once that driveline is off, and then I'm going to remove the entire wheel assembly. I'm going to remove the ball joint just to give me a bit more room to remove that. And then I also need to do the other side, so it's both sides, and then I can drop the gearbox out. But I'll film the whole process on my cell phone and just link everything in this video. So yeah, making good progress.
Everything about you.
Hey guys, what's up? So far I'm almost done pulling the box out. I have the shafts out, I have the outer CVs out, all the shock mounts are loose, all the engine mounts are loose as well. Basically everything is loose around the gearbox. The only thing keeping it in right now is the jack. The big jack right now. I have the big floor jack. As you know, with VW there's no cross mount, so I have the engine supported by the bottle jack with a block so that it doesn't damage the sump. All the bolts, everything is loose, selectors, everything. And over here, these are the drive lines with the starter, outer CVs, everything is loose. I'm going to remove the box now, so yeah, stay tuned for that, and then we can go from there and see what's actually wrong with this thing. So cool. Okay guys, so here we have, this is actually the old gearbox, right by the So we ended up getting this gearbox. I've actually replaced the seal on it, the back and front seal, so that there's not too much play on the shaft itself. It's basically the exact same gearbox. Now, for some reason I can't figure out why it doesn't want to engage a gear. I'm actually going to take a bit of a lunch break now. I haven't eaten since this morning, so need to eat. I'll go through, I'll check on the internet what they say about what could be the possible cause of this issue that we're having, and then probably just take it from there. But at least the box is out, everything is done. It's just now to figure out why the gear isn't engaging. If it's maybe something on the throw, on the push rod inside the gearbox, if it's perhaps with the clutch. But I'll pull everything apart there, and then we can see from there what could be the problem. But yeah, making some good progress. Hopefully this vlog isn't too long, but I want to make it as detailed as possible and showing that I'm working on it. But yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? So we are finally done with the Caddy bucket. I actually found out that it was the flywheel that was the problem. So the issue was the flywheel had like these dowel pins in it. So what was happening on the pressure plate, the dowel pins weren't actually fitting into the spaces provided on the pressure plate. Got the other flywheel, got the other pressure plate and everything in the kit. So yeah, we finally got that done. I think the only thing left to do is we still have to just have the alignment done in the bucket, and we still have to just have like a couple of other small things done. But other than that, the bucket is getting really good gear, no grinding, nothing like that. I just need to set actually the spacing of the gears, so I have to just set that up. But other than that, everything else is pretty well done. I guess the only thing now is to take the bucket for alignment, set the gears, and then we're good to go. But this thing is really fast. I don't have a GoPro or anything like that to help me film, but I am planning on getting a gorilla pod and a couple of like other attachments that I can actually use my phone instead of investing in a GoPro right now. But yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. There is another shoot coming up pretty soon, hopefully this weekend, and then we have a N1 City video also coming up soon. I just need to actually finish that edit and then upload that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and thank you.